fuel pressure regulator, 2 hoses. You just remove them here. It's going to be a pushing motion with a open wrench. Cock it and pull it. Get this bad boy from wit's end. Honestly, these parts are pretty cool. To get new, he sends you a whole pack of hoses and clamps, and I mean, if you look at that bad boy versus this bad boy, is new always better? Well, if you own a 93 Land Cruiser or an 80 series, the answer to that is no. But sometimes new parts are pretty cool. It does come with an O-ring, which is located on the bottom, and it's already preset. So I've cracked it, and I will whip it out with consent, and we will see. Wow, yeah, I'm sure this has probably never been changed. That's pretty much a guarantee. Oh yeah, I guess you could remove that ground wire, but oh look, oh fuel, oh fuck. Yeah, okay, that's pretty straightforward. Hence the gasket. We'll shove that back in there so I don't get too much fuel out of the way. Well, there's gonna be fuel. Is what it is, player. It's not the end of the world if you have a little fuel leak. There goes like $7 worth of fuel. At least in 2022. You feel me? This bitch has been in the garage. Why? I'll let you figure that out. So I guess I can keep that there. And then I can just tighten this nut down. And that's really it. So I'll probably back it off a little bit actually. So I can really put that nut down. Yeah, so you should probably wear gloves because it is gas, and I guess there's some fuel that filled out, but I guess that'll probably burn off, so right on. Look at that pretty thing. Booyah.